Do you enjoy listening to songs in English? Do you believe it's possible to learn English with songs and music? I'm here to tell you that you can learn English with songs much better than you believe. Maybe you have heard that you can learn new vocabulary and idioms and improve your listening skills by listening to English music. Of course you can do that. But what I'm saying is you can even learn grammar by listening to English songs and even improve your speaking and fluency skills. All you have to do is follow my instructions step by step in this course, and I can teach you how to learn English with songs and music. Now, maybe you've tried to learn English with songs before and it didn't go very well because a lot of students do try this, but they make one big mistake. And I'll tell you what that is right now. You're listening to the wrong songs. Let me repeat. You're listening to the wrong songs. It's that simple. But I have the right songs for you. And in this course, I'm going to give you 10 songs that will help you to improve your English grammar and your English speaking. There are not many songs that you can use to actually help you with your English language learning. But there are some, and I can give you them. I'm Gabriel, creator of learnInglishPath.com. You might know me from my YouTube channel, or maybe from my Facebook group, or you might know me from my other Udemy courses, or you might not know me yet at all. I have many years experience teaching English to English language learners just like you. I have a TEFL certificate, which is a professional qualification to teach English. I also have 6 teaching knowledge certificates from Cambridge University at the highest level. And now I'm so excited to teach you how to learn English with songs. Let's go.